We're at the St. Paul Ice Fishing Show looking at some of the cool things at the show, and I brought me to the Frabill booth. And gang, we are looking at some of their tip-ups, and I've got Patrick here who's going to tell us a little bit more about some of the tip-ups and give us some tips on how to use these things.
Absolutely. These are the rail style. This one in particular is the Arctic Fire, but anywhere that has a metal bushing or the T-bar style that comes all the way down through the hole are going to be the same. Now 99.5% or 99% of the people, they don't know the capabilities of the tip-ups. What they do is they take it, they put it in the center of the ice, they bring this down, and they call it good.
Isn't that the way it's supposed to be?
Well, it works. It certainly works. But let me show you something. The way that this is operated is you have a pinch point right here. So it doesn't matter if it comes straight down, if it comes like this. It all comes out of this one apparatus right here. So it doesn't matter if we move this thing in the hole.
Right.
Okay, so as long as this spool stays wet and in the water, it will work like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually tilt this just like so. So I got this actually tilted. I don't know if you can see that, but then you got down here, it comes out real nice and smooth. Okay, but what I'm going to do is I'm fishing for pike, and they're real big fish, real big minnows, and that minnow swimming around, it can swim all at once and it's not going to trip your flag like they usually do. But when a pike hits it, it takes it, slams it. What happens is it actually has to push this flag down to be able to exactly make the flag go up. So that's how you get rid of your big minnow false flags and stuff like that. Now I'm going to use the same tip up, and I'm going to scope panfish. Everybody likes to jig, and I'm going to fish the bullseye of the target, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jig, and I'm going to set these, and all I'm going to do is go the other way. I'm going to set this real nice and light so it's on here, and when that perch barely touches this thing, it takes off. Now I'm going to go over there, I'm going to grab this, I'm going to set the hook, throw this tip up to the side, and now I'm going to jig down that hole. And when this fish, and when this hole actually starts dying down, another tip up is going to go up, and I'm going to go over there and do the same thing, jig down that hole. I'm going to stay on top of the school, and I'm going to put more fish in the bucket in a lot shorter time period.
Wow, that's a great idea. I've never thought about using a tip up that way. That's really cool.
They are the most underutilized scouting tool that 95 or 99% of the people already have in their garages. You don't even have to go out and buy these because you already have them.
Yeah, for sure.
We're just showing you the different capabilities of the already existing products that are in your garage.
Yeah, that is very neat, because I use them for northern and walleye. That's basically what I use them for, and this is a neat idea for panfish.
Yeah, so that's your rail style, and you can do it with any rail style that has the metal bushing coming through.
That's a very cool idea. If people would like to check out more information about the Frabill tip-ups, where can they go to check these things out?
They can go over to Frabill.com.
That sounds great. We are at the St. Paul Ice Fishing Show 2015.